before po I give to you our special guest again, I would like to say thank you very much to all my friends, lahat po ng fan clubs na nag-celebrate with us ng Christmas party last night. Merry Christmas and I love you very much and I meant every word I said. Nag-concert po ako kagabi. And happy silver anniversary to Roderick Paulate. Ayan, and I would like to say hello to my new inaanak, Manuelisa Piedad del Rosario and her parents who are watching tonight. Good evening, and Iha, I will see you soon, okay? And to my inaanak-to-be, Simon Soler. Yun pong anak ko sa kahit wala ka na, i-confirm po siya on Tuesday and his birthday is on Wednesday. Happy birthday, anak. I'll see you on Tuesday also. I love you. And, of course, di na po natin patatagalin. Eto na po siya, the one and only from People's Journal, Mr. Bong De Leon.
Merry Christmas, siya.
Merry Christmas, Tito Bong.
With your permission, can I just greet you, friend?
Go ahead, please.
Happy birthday to Vicky Elio, to Jerry Palmano, Michael Murillo, Saldo Fernandez, Boy Kalalang, and most especially to Zaldi Gutierrez, who will be celebrating on the 23rd of this month.
Yan. And Ogie Pasco and Nanay Desta de Borja, maraming salamat po and good evening. And belated happy birthday to Danny Cristovas and to Arthur again, happy birthday, Kay.
Okay.
Ito Bong.
In behalf of the many friends of yours from show business, nagpapasalamat sila through me dahil as usual, ikaw na naman daw ang unang-unang artistang nakaalaala sa kanila na nagpadala ng kanilang gift.
Hindi, you know, because Christmas I think is the best time of the year to say thank you to all our friends. Kanyan. Siyempre may mga birthdays, pero to all our friends sa suporta po nila ng buong taon, maraming salamat po. Yan. Of course, to you, Merry Christmas, Tito Bong.
Thank you. Obviously, Sharon, ang ganda-ganda mo ngayong gabi. and it seems na you are in your best element. Bakit? Meron bang bagong nagpapaligaya sa'yo?
Nag-concert ako kagabi. No, I think it's the season. It's the season. Actually, ano lang yan, you know, when I'm doing my show, I make it a point to enjoy every minute of it. Kahit napakarami kong problema minsan, o kahit ano pa ang mangyari, yung show ko yan ang aking escape. Pabango ko. Hindi, yun yung aking escape na it's my diversion. You know, I use the 2 hours that I have every Sunday para magpakaligaya. But I'm okay really. It's gonna be an okay Christmas.
To the less fortunate, Sharon, sa kanila, isa sa mga major reasons na malungkot sila pag wala silang pera. Yung katulad ninyo, at least tayo na a little bit fortunate naman, saan ba ikaw nalulungkot? Yes.
What do you mean? Saan ako,
Malungkot.
anong kinalulungkot ko?
Yes, oo.
Ako naman, ever since, every year yata yun, kinalulungkot ko yung love life ko.
Ganon.
Yun lang.
Ilang
Pero,
taon na ba yun?
25 na ako eh.
No, what I mean,
I
ilang
don't
taon
know
ka
how
nang
many years.
wala si Gabs, hindi ba sana... Naghiwalay kayong dalawa?
Gabby, 4 years already.
4 years. And how do you manage to go along?
This is our 5th Christmas apart, actually.
Wow.
Yes.
How do you manage to get along with this?
Well, I'm okay and that's life eh. I work myself to death. That's why I'm married to my career. See, yun yatang palagay. Kasi yung career ko, at least, akin. Diba? Pero kahit na career ko, akin, I belong to the Filipino Republic. I don't, you know, that's okay. That's part of life. It's part of the game. It's part of the business. In spite of all that, anyway, I'm really thankful for what I have.
Sa stature mo, Sharon, hindi ba, mamayang gabi is the first Misa de Gallo, hindi ba? Sa stature mo, do you find time pa para makapag-attend sa mga ganon?
No, actually. But in the past years, pag hindi masyadong puyat, pag hindi sumasama ako sa mga kaibigan ko, ganon.
Siguro
No,
naman
nice sana if I could go every day, no? Pero
maunawa naman ang Lord siguro above dahil
I
lalong
pray a lot.
makakaistorbo pa pag, hindi ba mga tao, pag nandun ka, lalo nagkakagulo.
yun
no?
ang isa
Diba?
pang problema. Yun ang isa pang. Although I do go to Bible studies and, you know, although I've been terribly, you know, I haven't even had time for myself, but I know I should make time for it. And I will too. I will.
One last question, Sharon.
Yes, Tito Bong.
Valentine's Day is just fast approaching at meron kang
Gusto ko na nga ho mag-Valentine show. Yaman din lamang at wala akong kadate sa Valentine.
Pero balita ko, meron ka na naman daw nahandog sa iyong mga fans, hindi ba?
Sa Valentine's Day,
Yes.
Pangako Sa'yo with Bong Revilla. It's a beautiful movie. Abangan nyo po. And this is my first time with Pepe Marcos
Yes.
and with Bong as well. So abangan nyo po yan. Yung kay Tito Ronning movie namin, dream ko pa yun. Inihintay ko pa eh. Inaayos pa namin para magandang-maganda.
Once again, thank you, Ciara.
Thank you so much also, Tito Bong. As always, you've been with me years
Yes,
old,
12
10 years now. And I'd like to thank you that, you know, throughout all these years, you've been with me.
And
You've been
thank you too,
supporting
because
me.
I also have the best moment of my career with you.
Thank you so
You
much.
brought me to places, and I love you
Ay,
for
nako.
that.
Thank you, Tito Bong. And Merry Christmas. God bless you and I love you. Mga kaibigan, wag po kayong aalis dahil napakaraming sorpresa pa po namin para sa inyo. Don't go away. We shall be back with you after a few reminders. And Mariel Barkin from Barbie, and Aling and Babeth. Thank you. At ngayon, hindi na po natin patatagalin mga kaibigan. Ay, thank you pala for this from OG Pasco. Thank you. And I'm sorry.
Merry Christmas.
I'd like to say hi to Reggie and Kay. Hello. And ngayon na po mga kaibigan, ito na po ang special guest natin for the tanungan portion this evening. Wala pong iba kung hindi ang isa po sa binabasa po ninyo ngayong mga araw na ito. Wala pong iba kundi si Mr. Ernie Enrile. Hello, Kuya Ernie. Good evening. Welcome to the show.
Thank you rin sa greetings mo last week.
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas also.
Yeah, since it's a few more days bago magpasko, anong mga plans mo sa Christmas?
May nababalita kasi na I'm going to spend Christmas in the States. It's not true. Kasi I can't leave. Ang busiest time of the year sa akin ay laging yung Christmas season. Every year yan, pinaka-busy ako pag Pasko kasi nandyan yung Christmas special namin, yung New Year show, yung birthday show ko right away. So talagang patong-patong, hindi pwede. Tapos siguro before and after Christmas, right before and right after Christmas, tuloy-tuloy kami sa shooting namin ni Bong Revilla. Abangan niyo po yan. Uumpisahan na po namin next week.
Supposing humiling sa'yo si Casey ng isang Christmas gift, let's say a brand new papa, may bibigay mo kaya this year or next year?
Actually, Kuya Ernie, I doubt if Casey will ask for a brand new papa. Kasi happy naman kaming tatlo pag magkakasama kami because Gabby and I are very good friends now. In fact, the other day lang magkasama kami sa Christmas party ni Casey sa school. Pero umalis na yata si Gabby yesterday to go to the States. He's spending Christmas there. But we're happy naman together. So I don't think na she's very close to her father.
So ang ibig sabihin, may possible reconciliation between you and Gabby?
Kulumang issue na yan. Hindi,
Yun na
Kuya
nga
Ernie.
wala nang ibang may
Oo
tanong,
nga.
ano?
Wala, boring ang buhay ko sorry Hindi, like I said, like I've always said, ayoko magsalita ng tapos. Although at this point, talaga we're better off as friends lang.
Okay, tatlong questions lang daw dahil wala nang oras. Bukod sa linyang Merry Christmas, Happy New Year na sinasabi natin sa mga kaibigan, sa mga mahal sa buhay, in all honesty, sa panahon ngayon, bukod sa linyang yan, ano ang pwede mong masabi pwede mong batiin ng Paskong darating? Madaging dramatic,
Ang pwede kong ibate sa ating mga kababayan, ganon?
Hindi lang sa kababae, kundi sa mahal mo sa buhay, kay Gabby, kahit kanino.
Ang
pwede
akin in general, I'd like I'd like to wish for peace all over the world. I'd like to wish for mankind to help one another, to cooperate, magkaisa ba, ganon, and magmahalan. Dahil sa dami ng nangyayari ngayon, I think the Lord is trying to tell us all something. So I think we should all do something about it. Should all pray and we should all work together.
So ang ibig sabihin, hindi importante ang material na bagay.
Hindi importante ang material na bagay. You know, it's nice to be thoughtful and give little things to your loved ones every now and then, especially at Christmas. But I think nowadays, dapat mas malalim ang tignan natin, hindi ba? Yung talagang sabihin natin, magmahalan tayo, hindi lang yung mahal kita, hindi lang yung ganun, pakita nyo, ganyan. Ngayon, kung sa mahal ko naman sa buhay, kung meron sana akong mahal sa buhay,
Sweetheart, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Kuya Ruben, hindi, kung meron lang akong mahal sa buhay, iwi-wish ko happiness lang. Happiness.
Happiness to all
True love.
mankind.
Happiness.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank Mas Kuya Ernie, I'll be sending you my little Christmas present soon. And mga kaibigan, wag po kayong aalis. Magbabalik po kami matapos ng ilang paalaala.
Ang Disyembre ko ay malungkot pagka-miss kita. Anumang pilit kong magsaya, miss kita. Kung Christmas, kahit nasaan ako, papaling-paling ng tingin, walang tulad mo. Ang nakapagtataka'y maraming nakahigit sa'yo. Hinahanap-hanap pa rin kita. Ewan ko kung bakit ba ako'y iniwan mong nag-iisa. Miss kita, oh giliw. Pasko'y sasapit, di ko mapigil ang mangulilang. Hirap niyan, mayroon ka ng iba. Miss kita kung Christmas. Pagka-miss kita. Miss kita kung Christmas. Kahit nasaan ako, papaling-paling ng tingin, walang tulad mo. Ang nakapagtataka'y maraming nakahigit sa'yo. Hinahanap-hanap pa rin kita. Ewan ko kung bakit ba ako'y iniwan mong nag-iisa. Miss kita, oh giliw. Pasko'y sasapit, di ko mapigil ang mangulila. Hirap yan, mayroon ka ng iba. Hinahanap pa rin kita. Oh, hirap niyan, mayroon ka ng iba.
Sayang sinta ang sinubahan at pag-ibig na.
You've just enjoyed another delightful evening on the Sharon Cuneta